subsequently summoned by the Assembly. And Chair, and committee, it would interest you to note that the gentleman that summoned, issued the first summon for the General Oversight Committee, the chair, the gentleman that issued that summon was the chair of the ad hoc committee for my impeachment, the Honorable Francis Otiato, and he was a witness here yesterday. And I will be explaining the importance of that in a little while.
Deputy Governor, is that summon part of your evidence?
Yes.
Could you please point to the committee to where that summon is to be found? W07?
W07, it's DG4, page 90 to 91.
Page 90 to 91.
Yes.
Where does the mover of the motion signature appear?
It appears It appears on page 91.
Thank you. And you confirm that it is signed by?
The Honorable Francis Otiato, MCA for Yimbo East.
Thank you. Please proceed.
On 23rd March, the Assembly of Siaya adopted the said motion, sponsored by Honorable Otiato, Chair. And I was then asked to appear. I was then invited to appear before the General Oversight Committee. And that invitation was made, and it is dated the 28th March of 2023. And you find it on page 92 and 93, DG4. So when I was invited by the General Oversight Committee, the committee, I initially protested as to the mandate of the Assembly to oversight me on personal political statements made in funerals. They insisted, and I obliged, and I then attended the General Oversight Committee meeting on the 12th of April, 2024. Now, when I